Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, you know I'm appreciating you. New viewers, you gotta become subscribers so you can get some recipes like this great one right here. Tonight we're doing an easy baked chicken recipe. In my bowl I've got some breadcrumbs, about half a cup to a cup. 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and paprika. Give this a quick little mix. I'm just trying to get a coating so that we have a little bit of a crunch, but more importantly, some flavor. Okay. And you can use whatever kind of breadcrumbs you want. I used crushed up Melba toast. In my bowl, I have about just shy of 3 pounds. There's like 1.3 for each package, and there's 2 packages. These are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can use whatever kind of chicken you like. To that, I have half a cup of lemon juice, half a cup of chicken stock, and 2 tablespoons, plus or minus, of Frank's Red Hot. All we're going to do now is get our pan ready and start laying these in. And it's not going to be a heavy coating. It's not going to be like fried chicken. So, and you can see I just kind of shredded them up because I want small bite-sized pieces. I didn't want huge chunks. Also, if you couldn't tell, as usual, I pounded them out. I do that for 2 reasons. One, it allows me to stretch them, but it also makes sure that they cook evenly. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to do the rest of these and we'll fill up this tray, and we'll probably have to get out a second tray because, like I said, there's almost 3 pounds of chicken. We'll see as soon as I get them all ready. All right, you can see that I've coated these guys up. That's 1 full tray, and then I have a second tray. Know that my recipe of breadcrumb mix makes about 2 pounds worth of chicken breast. So if you're wondering why these look different, I switched to panko, just a plain panko with a light dusting of spice. So that's why they look a little different. And like I said, you can use whatever breadcrumbs you like. That's what's the nice thing about this recipe. I preheated the oven to 375 degrees. We're going to go 15 minutes to see how it looks. At most, it'll take 20. We'll see you then. Right, our timer's gone off, so I'll go ahead and cancel that out. I left it in for the 20 minutes. Smoking hot. And I've just got a little plate with some salad already mixed up. I'll put 2 of these on there. And that is it, guys. It's as easy as that. You know, you could serve this with some barbecue sauce or maybe some honey mustard or something like that. Treat it like a tender for that matter. Or just eat it plain like I do. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what you do for yours. This should be a very healthy chicken for you. Check back for the next video, and as always, take care.
Peace out. Peace out.